Hi, I'm Tom Mulaney. I'm here today to show you something really cool in Google Chat Spaces. So here I'm in a space and I see a file and this works for docs, slides, and sheets. And if I click on this open in chat, look at this. I can edit this file right here in the same window as chat, but this gets even better. Let me X out of this. Let me go to this collaborative Google Doc right here. I've created it. Notice when I share it, I haven't shared it. It's private only to me. Watch what happens when I add it to a space. So I'm going to hit the plus and we're going to do Google Drive. And for here, these three create new ones. We want to click this, which is attach drive files. And there it is. And we'll click insert doc. And then we'll just click it. And it's going to prompt us. And we have to make our fellow space members editors to really take advantage of this. And great, share with the space. We hit send message. Now let's look at what it looks like for a collaborator in the space. So this collaborator here, I'm in my Gmail, I'm not even in Spaces. I click on the little Spaces icon, I click example space, and then notice it says open in chat. And now I can type in the doc right here. I never left Gmail. I have one tab open. And then I can just go right, once I put my contribution in, I can X out, I can message everyone that I did, I can go right back to Gmail. How fantastic is that? Because Spaces lives in your Gmail and as well as chat.google.com. Such a useful feature. If you're using chat spaces, when Google Docs, slides, and sheets are shared, look for that open in chat. If you don't see it, sometimes if you just click into files, you can get in there and then use that, and it will give you the same function, which is really, really nice. If you have any questions about this, please comment below or tweet me at Tom E. Mulaney. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.